Thank you for tuning in. So in this video, we will go over this week's analysis sent out to the VIP Wealth Club. Uh, if you have not already joined our free Telegram channel, this is the information here. And here below is the company's website. So first, let's go over our losses and we'll also go over our wins. And I say our losses because everyone's not going to win in this market. You're going to take some losses. But one thing we will guarantee here at Generational Wealth is that our wins will outdo our losses all day. So let's begin. So one of the first pairs that we did not catch went the opposite way on us was EU. We was anticipating a midweek reversal. This pair has been downtrending for a while. We was anticipating to get a reversal of Tuesday's low for midweek reversal. That didn't happen. Here at Generational Wealth, we teach to trade and risk 1 to 3% of your account. So this would we use most likely a 15 to 20 pip stop loss. So we will always just go ahead and we just say we took the 20 pip loss on this on EU. Another pair, CAD check, we also lost this pair. Same thing, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We expecting to get our midweek reversal on Thursday, which it did not occur. Kept continued. And you want to back test your losses, guys. You want to back test and find out exactly why that trade went the way it did. Same thing with GBP, Swiss franc. Midweek reversal, we was expecting to come up off the high of Wednesday in reverse. Stopped us out here. So we got stopped out on that one as well. Let's see. This GBP check, Euro, USD, Swiss franc. We also took a L on this one here. Same thing we was expecting to get our midweek reversal. That did not happen. We also got stomped out on this trade. So now let's get to these wins, which I already have drawn up here in the Telegram chat for you already. So let's begin. First, let's go over this pair here, which is gold. We actually took this trade last week for a perfect entry NFP, and I actually held this one all week. So I held this actually over the weekend in NFP. As you see right here, we're expecting to come down to this area, open up a New York reversal to keep it in the uptrend, which it did. It came down perfect before it continued to go up for 185 pips. AUDJPY. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we got our retail trend line. Wednesday, we expected the market to reverse for our midweek reversal for a total of 57 pips. And that's actually still a continuation. So if you twin traded this, of course, you would close out one trade by now, and your other trade just being a risk-free trade, and you'll just let that ride. GBP NZD, we caught this one out earlier in the week, which was off of Tuesday's reversal of Sunday, Monday's high. So let's see what happens with this one. GBP NZD with a nice perfect setup with the news to help push this market down with a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio for 220 pips, which was a perfect move. This was actually a real nice move. So let's see. AUD USD, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, creating that trend line, that retail trend. We expect the Wednesday to bring this down for a total of 37 pips, and this is actually still in continuation. If you get in on Wednesday, Thursday actually gave you another entry to get in at the opening of New York to ride that pair as well. So if you twin traded here, of course, you would have cashed out there, closed one trade, let the other one ride, had your stop loss up there. And Thursday came, got in again with another 2 entries as well. Close one once they got down there, so you should have 2 trades just riding risk-free. AUD, CAD, perfect, same thing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, creating that retail trend line. Wednesday, Thursday to push it down. Same thing with AUD, USD, how it gave you another chance to get in. AUD CAD did the same thing again. Wednesday, it dropped. Thursday came around, gave you a second entry at the opening of New York to get in on that if you missed the first entry on Wednesday for a continuation of 60 pips, and that's still floating. So like I said again, if you twin traded here in Wednesday, you could have got in, took your 30, 50 pips in profit, closed one trade, let the other trade go in a risk-free trade, got in with 2 more orders on Thursday's opening, let that joint go, close one out, take your money, and let the other 2 risk-free. Let it go. GBP, JPY, same thing here. While we took this trade off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, retail trend, Wednesday, Thursday to reverse it. That dropped to 53 pips. Of course, same thing, twin trade, close one trade out, let the other one go. And this actually ended up stomping out the second trade because GBP, JPY actually shot up too. So we actually, second trade was risk-free, so it doesn't matter. We caught that 53 pips. GBP AUD, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, creating that trend line as well as a wedge pattern formation, constantly off the low. Sunday, Monday's low, Tuesday's low, and Wednesday it just finally shot up, and we got a total of 202 pips and still floating on this. I think it might be up to 220 right now. Nice. That was a nice move right here. Perfect example of that retail trend. Perfect example. Perfect. Uh-oh, what I'm doing. All right. So NZD CAD. We actually went over this in the Generational Wealth Telegram chat. This was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Of course, Wednesday made the midweek reversal opening right here because of opening of New York to push that down with a perfect information. It actually stopped hunted the first leg of the information before it continued down. Continuation on Thursday right here for the entry, which we took for a total of 56 pips. For the continuation of the midweek reversal. So guys, with that being said, you have to back test. Learn how to twin trade. It will help you a lot. Trade with proper risk management. Learn the leverage. Learn how to control your leverage. Learn how to control your emotions. Learn how to control your patience. Because it takes a lot of patience to catch these moves sometimes. Sometimes you're going to be in that trade 1 or 2 days, so before that move happens. You just have to trust your analysis, take your time, and everything will play out. And these trades, like I said again, was all sent out to the VIP Wealth Club, Generational Wealth. So if you have not already joined, feel free to DM me about joining. The Telegram chat is constantly growing. We're trying to teach as many people as possible this market manipulation, because this is the only way you're going to be able to make money in this market.